Hallo und herzlich willkommen zu einem neuen Part von The Walking Dead. Wir sind hier jetzt beim Zug. Einen Augenblick, gleich geht's weiter. Nur schnell Ladekabel anschließen. So, jetzt geht's los. Und jetzt mal sind wir hier angekommen, da war der Zug gesperrt. Wegen dem Zug. Sehen wir uns gleich mal an. Bauen wir mal mit dem.
You, happy you stayed with us all this time?
Yeah,
Really?
it's with you guys or dead. I would have died out there in the woods, just like my classmates.
You think this is better?
Yeah, of course.
What would you have done with Lily?
I don't know. Left her? I've never seen anybody kill someone like that before.
Yeah, you've seen a bunch of other stuff by now.
Yeah, but not like that.
Was it you?
Not this again.
Was it?
No!
Okay then.
Okay, dann gehen wir mal. Ich fange hinten an, ich fange hier beim Güterwagentür an.
Door's closed.
Gut, hier kommen wir schon mal nicht rein. Schauen wir uns mal das hier vorne an.
The door to the boxcar.
Ja, dann gehen wir hoch. Shoe Outlets.
Whoa.
Ach, der macht da
Somebody's
einfach so
been
auf.
living in here.
Yeah,
Und der
man.
sagt zu uns, das ist
Shit.
geschlossen.
Think they're gone?
I hope so. But this looks recently used. Be on the lookout and have your guard up. A clipboard. A map of where the train goes. I think these tracks might lead to the coast. Route 27, Savannah. That's where Kenny's got us headed.
Gibt's hier noch was?
Looks unopened.
Sieht ja, wenn
I'll
man
take this
mitnimmt,
to
oder?
Kendra. For Doug.
Na, geh ich mal hier raus. Schau, was es hier gibt.
Derailed.
Ach so, der ist ein Gleis. Ich habe gedacht, der ist einfach nur stehen geblieben. Oder so.
There's gotta be a better way to do this. Looks like it'll get that pin out. Shit. Broken.
Mehr können wir da hier nicht machen. Gehen wir rein und dann wieder raus. Gehen wir dem hier runter. Wir den erstmal das Wasser bringen.
Here, found some water.
Oh, thank you. Perfect. He's allergic to bees.
Is that right?
It's all I can keep thinking about. Like, somehow that matters.
It doesn't.
I know. Well, I don't. But you're probably right.
So, dann gebe ich dir noch die Landkarte.
Found this in the boxcar back there.
Whoa, is this what it looks like?
I think so.
These tracks lead right to Savannah. Holy hell. Can you guys see about moving that thing? We could have something here.
Yeah, we're on it.
Gut, jetzt gehen wir hier rein. Gut, gehen wir mal wieder hoch. Gucken, ob wir hier irgendwie
Might be something
Maschinenraum.
inside.
Ah, ist offen. So ein Zufall. Gut, auch nicht so. Das sind Knöpfe.
A switch. Nothing.
Wir müssen irgendwas machen, damit das wieder geht. Schauen, was hier ist. Ob hier was funktioniert. Noch einer. Auch nix.
Shit. We got one. Walker, sitting in the chair. We got him. Suppose we ought to look him over.
Yeah.
Ich glaube, der ist richtig tot.
I don't think this guy came back.
Christ. That light is blinking.
Push it.
Push it?
Why not?
Are you fucking serious?
Here, look. It's just the brakes.
Okay, I'll give you that one.
This fucker works?
Seems like it.
I'll be damned. How the hell do we get it moving?
I don't know. That's Mr. Amtrak over here.
No clue.
Well, let's look around. Maybe it goes somewhere we'd like to be. Ben, if you could keep an eye on the girls and Duck, I'd appreciate it. I'm gonna make sense of these controls. Man, this could be exactly what we need.
We got a
Hier waren wir
problem.
den.
What?
We still got the rest of the train attached to us back there.
Shit.
I tried to yank the pin out, but it won't budge.
Well, we ain't going anywhere until it does.
Ah, da ist noch ein Notizblock.
Shit, this is it. Instructions on starting the engine. Damn, pages are gone. I can kinda see the indentations from the writing.
Ich finde einen Weg, den Notizblock zu lesen.
Ew. It's a bunch of papers.
Kartenfach.
A bunch of maps about Georgia's cities. Nothing about the train.
Los.
Jesus!
Alter.
Thought those things were designed to save lives. Too loud. He's been no way. It's in pretty good shape for a wreck. Hey, kid.
What's up?
God, we need some help getting this train going.
People take notes, right, when working on stuff like this? We're smart guys. We can figure it out.
I'll get back to it.
Me too.
So, gehen wir mal hier raus. Wieder. Ich muss irgendwas finden. Ah, vielleicht hier. Ach, da wäre irgendwas drin.
Nothing. Nothing.
Hm.
Has Clementine said anything to you about Doug or Duck or anything? I'm worried about him.
No. That little girl is a puzzle.
Yeah, she is.
Poor dog. Where did yesterday go?
I don't know.
You were standing right there. Are you doing okay?
I was. It was awful. One of the worst things I've seen yet.
I'm sorry you and... oh my god, Clementine had to see that. I liked him very much. He'd spent some time in Belgium.
Where your family's from?
Yes. Even further away now.
Would you have left Lily back there? On the side of the road like that?
Yes, Lee.
Yeah?
We have to have lines. Yes, I would have left her.
Okay then. How's Duck?
I don't know. Tired. Which could mean a lot of things, right?
Yeah. His body's probably fighting whatever's in it.
Exactly.
Anyway, let me know if anything changes here.
Is Ken all right? What is he doing?
He's put his mind to figuring out the train.
What about you?
Same thing, sort of. Found some instructions, but I can't read them.
Oh. Well, I'm sure someone can help you.
We found a notebook that we think might have had some starter directions on it, but the page is missing.
Well, I'm sure you guys will figure it out.
There's a notepad on the train. Do you have any pencils or anything in your pack?
No, I wish. Maybe in the RV. What do you need it for?
There used to be something written on the notepad that I need to know about.
Well, if you're not using it, I'd take it. I'm out of paper, and there's all sorts of new leaves around here.
Kann ich zum Wohnwagen? Ah, okay. Nein. Bleib mal drin jetzt. Gut, jetzt haben wir wenigstens schon mal einen Bleistift. Schauen, ob wir das jetzt heben können.
Perfect.
You can read it now?
Yeah, should be able to just follow the steps to get the engine on.
Sounds good.
Wie kann ich mir das denn ansehen? Mensch. Also 6. Also hier die 6. Also 6 runter, runter, oben, oben. Wo ist die 5? Ah, ich glaube, ich soll das mit der 6 machen.
Son of a bitch! Whatever you did lit the dash up.
So far, so good.
5.
Now we're talking.
Nothing about the train. Hey, Ken,
What's up?
you want to talk about Duck? I'm really sorry, Kenny. Nobody deserves this.
There's nothing to talk about. You heard Cat. He could be fine.
We probably shouldn't ignore it.
Nobody's ignoring nothing. I'm not worried. You shouldn't be either.
I don't know about leaving Lily back there. Abandoning someone on the side of the road is the same as murder.
Don't worry about it. We just would have had to deal with her eventually.
With the directions I was able to piece together, I think I might be able to get this thing started. I don't know. It's a long shot. I don't even know what the fuel situation is with this thing.
We'll find out. You mess around in the engine compartment yet?
All right, then.
Yep.
Ach so, jetzt mal nochmal schauen. Also nach links und dann nach rechts. Okay. Und jetzt nach rechts.
We're golden!
Yeah, we are. Golden. Man, feels good.
Let's fucking enjoy this. Mom, let's see if she'll move. It's all yours. Damn it! Of course, we're still attached. Can you go find out where we're stuck and get us unstuck?
Yeah. It's one hell of a mess.
Kannst ja aufräumen.
There's gotta be a better way to do this. I better get back to it. Have you heard or seen anything out here?
No sign of whatever lives in the train.
Keep it down. I don't want you scaring the kids.
Vielleicht kann ich mit dem Bleistift. Ich gehe mal nochmal sofort zum Zombie.
This door's gonna hurt. Okay. You aren't gonna like this.
Okay.
It's in pretty good shape for a wreck. Here, I found this. If Duck's up for it.
Thank you. That's very thoughtful. He isn't fussy, you know.
What?
Most kids, they're really fussy about what they'll eat. Hate vegetables, that kind of thing.
Not Duck, huh?
No. The most trouble I ever have is making him use a fork. Thank you, Lee.
Sure.
Irgendwie tun wir das jetzt abkuppeln.
Hey, Sweet Pea. You okay out here?
I don't think Duck feels good.
Me neither. Hey, Kent.
What's up?
I can't get us free. Any ideas?
You're asking me? What do I know about a train?
More than me.
Sorry, man.
I'll get back to it.
Me too.
Oder gibt es hier irgendetwas? Hm.
There's gotta be a better way to do this.
Vielleicht ist es in der nächsten Folge. Das war's für diese Folge.